Cap. Make sure that the fires are vertical and then slide it.
Very informative class. Also the patience throughout the course from all the instructors pointing out not only safety issues but how to properly hold the firearm.
What they teach you and how they teach you is second to none. Instructors are knowledgeable, and I'm going to tell you, I'd highly recommend coming to any one of these courses.
I highly recommend them for any of your training needs. They're very thorough, they make you feel very safe. Whether it's your first time shooting or your 100th, they'll help you with whatever you need, and there's nothing these guys can't do.
I'm a new member of New Jersey Sharpshooters. I recommend anybody take this course. If you're a new gun owner, I definitely tell you to do it. If you're a usual or a frequent gun owner, I say take the course. It's better than shooting from behind the port. You get to go inside the port, you get to draw, you get to do defensive tactics. I recommend this course.